Hello, friends. It is I, the man, the band, the equine. Today, I am swapping out speakers on all my monoprice amps. Many of you know I'm a pretty big fan of these amps for the price and reliability. They're all tube. These are 15 watts. These are 5. And as you can see, I live in an apartment. They each have a 1 watt switch, which is great, but they also pack a pretty good punch live, but not quite as much as I wanted. So I swapped out the 8-inch original speakers for these Celestion 2F0818 speakers, and you can see bigger magnet, a bit heavier. So that's what I put in the 8. And then for the 12s, I had these Celestion 80s that came with them. They're not bad speakers. They break up a little early for my taste, and they're a little brighter voicing, and I just wanted to get something a little more powerful and a little more volume out of it. So I put in some Eminence Swamp Things. I will hold them right side up. These are all 8-ohm speakers, by the way. These are 150 watts, and the 8 inches are 100 watt power limit, all 8-ohm. And it took me a while to decide on speakers and whatnot, but today I will show you the result. I'm just using a pretty standard Fender 72 Deluxe to test these out on. I have an AB-Y box, and so I'm using it to AB between one side and the other, and I'm pretty sure you'll be able to tell when I'm playing through the new speakers, because there was a pretty big difference. All the amps are set identically. 3 o'clock for the volume, 3 o'clock for the gain, and 12 o'clock for everything else. No reverb. Same over, well, let me get these gains. There, 5 o'clock for the gain on both. 12 o'clock for the EQ, so it's very flat. Tone is all the way down on the top, and volume is at 5 o'clock on both. Here we go. Here's the neck pickup. Here's the middle pickup. I'm getting a little tube crackle or something. Great. And here is the neck pickup. Now I will put on some distortion. I'm just using this Rowan Holy War pedal that I like. Here we go. Now I'll crank the 12s up to 5 o'clock, the 12 o'clock position. That's about the point that I start getting breakup on the old ones. The new ones, And I'm just gonna call that the end of the demo so the neighbors don't call and noise complaint on me. But definitely a great result.